Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents and my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your science class. Let's start our studies. Students, as you all know that we are on unit 2. This is unit 2, the senses. Okay, so hurry up, all of you open the page. Okay students, all of you open page 11 in your books. Hurry up, this is page 11 and we are on unit 2. Okay students, on page 11 you can see a boy. This is a boy and he is telling you something. Let's see what he is telling you. He is saying that protect your ears from sounds that are loud. Protect your ears from sounds that are loud. Do not stick things in your ears. Do not stick things in your ears. Protect your eyes. Never look directly at the sun. Okay students, he is telling you that you have to protect your ears. आपने अपने कानों की हिफाजत करनी है from sounds that are loud. ठीक है, you have to protect your ears from loud sounds. ज़ोरदार शोर वाली आवाज़ों से आपने अपने ears को protect करना है. ओके, आपने अपने ears को protect करना है. Do not stick things in your ears and please be careful. आपने अपने कानों में कोई भी चीज़ insert नहीं करनी है. Never ever your pencils or any stick or any eraser, sharpener, color, कोई भी चीज़ आपने अपने कानों में नहीं डालनी है. ओके, it will damage your ears. इससे आपके कान जो हैं उनको नुकसान पहुंचता है. Protect your eyes. Never look directly at the sun. ओके, you have to protect your eyes. आपने अपनी eyes की भी protection करनी है. And never look directly at the sun. कि never look directly at the sun. कभी भी आपने सूरज की तरफ directly नहीं देखना. Because it will create damage to your eyes. ठीक है, आपकी आँखों के लिए बहुत नुकसानदेह होता है जब हम direct sunlight की तरफ देखते हैं. So this boy is telling you some important things that you have to protect your eyes and do not look directly at the sun. Okay students? Okay students, here is a concept check. You can see this is a concept check and what is written here, it is written that write the part of the body which is used for each of the 5 senses listed below. हमने इसमें parts of the body लिखने हैं according to the senses that which body part is used to for the following sense and choose the words from the box. Okay, we have to choose the words from the box. Okay, these are the words, we have to choose them from the box and we have to fill in the blanks. Okay, tell me when we are using sense of taste. Okay, when we are using sense of taste, when we are using sense of taste, which body part we are using? Do we use nose? No. Do we use ears? No. Do we use eyes? No. Do we use skin? No. We use tongue. We use tongue for the sense of taste. So you have to write here tongue. Okay, we have written here tongue. We use tongue to taste our food. Okay, then how do we smell students? We use nose to use the sense of smell. We use nose. Okay, when we are smelling a flower or a perfume, we use our nose. Okay, when we are using our ears, we are using the sense of hearing. Okay, we use the sense of hearing when we are using our ears. हम कानों से सुनते हैं, हम ज़बान से चखते हैं, हम नाक से सूंघते हैं. ठीक है. Now let's move towards the next part, which is when we are using the sense of touch, we are using our skin. ठीक है, we are using our skin when we are using the sense of touch. and when we are using our eyes, we are using the sense of sight. When we are using our eyes, हम eyes की मदद से देखते हैं. Okay, so there are 5 senses and there are 5 body parts. You can see all these body parts. Okay, these are the body parts and these are the 5 senses. For the taste, we use our tongue. For the smell, we use our nose. For the hearing, we use our ears. For the touch, we use our skin. And for the sight, we use our eyes. Okay, you have to complete this. Okay, students, you have to complete this concept check. Okay, students, today we are starting this topic, which is movement. What is this? This is movement, and movement means हरकत करना. Okay, there are so many kinds of movement. We walk, we run, we jump, we crawl, we slide, we turn. These all are the different kinds of movement. So first of all, we have to read these 2 lines what is written in there. We move in different ways. We move in different ways. हम different तरीके से move करते हैं. We can run, jump, crawl, slide, walk, roll and turn. We can run, हम भाग सकते हैं. We can jump, हम jump छलांग मारते हैं. We can crawl, हम रेंगते हैं. We can slide, हम किसी भी चीज़ के ऊपर से स्लाइड कर सकते हैं, यानी झूला ले सकते हैं, फिसल सकते हैं. We can walk, हम चल सकते हैं. We can roll, हम अपने आप को गोल गोल करके भी घुमा सकते हैं. And turn, और हम मुड़ सकते हैं. We can move many parts of our body, हम अपनी बॉडी के बहुत से पार्ट्स को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Okay students? Okay students, can you see this picture? This is about running. This is a man who is running, and running is a way of movement. This is known as running. जब हम भागते हैं, we can call it as running, and running is a form of movement. हरकत. This is running. Okay, very good. Let's see another picture. Okay students, now this is some another picture, and can you tell me what these children are doing? Yes, they are jumping, and jumping is a form of movement. जब हम jumping करते हैं, it is also a kind of movement. हम कोई हरकत कर रहे हैं. Likewise, in the previous picture, a man was running. Running is also movement, and now these children are jumping. ये बच्चे jumping कर रहे हैं. And jumping is also a kind of movement. Okay, let's check another picture. Okay students, can you tell me what these babies are doing? They are crawling. Can you see this baby? What he is doing? He is crawling. Do you know what is crawling? Crawling means when we cannot walk properly and we walk with the help of our hands and our legs. Like you can see, this baby is moving with the help of his hands and with the help of his knees. Okay, so this is known as crawling. This baby is moving with the help of his hands and his knees. ठीक है, हम क्रॉल कब करते हैं? जब हम अपने हाथों से और घुटनों से मूवमेंट करते हैं, उसको हम क्रॉलिंग कहते हैं. CRAWL, crawl. Okay, this is also a kind of movement. Let's see the another picture. Okay students, can you tell me what this girl is doing? She is sliding. What she is doing? She is sliding. Okay, sliding, फिसलना, and sliding is a kind of movement. So what this girl is doing? She is sliding. So we have learnt about running, jumping, crawling and sliding, and next is walking. Okay students, now this is walking, and walking is also a type of movement. When we walk, it means we are moving, like running, jumping, crawling, sliding. Walking is also a type of movement. Okay, these children are walking, so when we walk, we move. Okay students, now what this boy is doing, he is rolling. Okay, he is rolling on the ground, and rolling is also a type of movement. When we roll on the ground, we move ourselves. Okay, can you see this boy? This boy is rolling. Okay students, can you tell me what this girl is doing? She is turning her body, and when we turn our body, it means we are moving. This is a kind of movement. Okay students, when we turn our body, it is a kind of movement. So today we studied running, jumping, crawling, sliding, walking, rolling and turning. So students, we studied and saw the pictures of running, run, jump, crawl, slide, walk, roll and turn. Very good. Okay students, now it's your homework time, and your homework is you have to learn these kinds of or ways of movement. You have to learn the names of these different ways of movement: run, jump, crawl, slide, walk, roll and turn. And you have to complete this task. Okay, this is your homework. You have to complete this task. You have to choose the words from the box. Okay, this is your homework, and also this is your homework. You have to learn these different ways of movement. I hope students you have enjoyed today's class. Okay dear students, stay home, stay safe, take care. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.